Welcome back to another expert lesson here on Fast Learn Academy. Today, we've got a language topic that's often a bit tricky for learners but absolutely essential for mastering English: prepositions. By the end of this video, you'll have a much clearer understanding of what prepositions are, and armed with practical examples to help you use them effectively. So, let's dive right in. First things first, what are prepositions? Prepositions are words that establish relationships between nouns or pronouns and other words in a sentence. They often indicate location, time, direction, or relationships between various elements in a sentence. Common prepositions. 1. In, used to indicate location or inclusion within something. Example, the cat is in the box. 2. On, indicates position or location on a surface. Example, the book is on the table. 3. Under, denotes position beneath. Example, the dog is under the chair. 4. Between, used to express a relation between two or more things. Example, chose between the red or blue dress. 5. During, indicates a specific time or duration. Example, we met during the summer vacation. 6. Behind, denotes a position at the back of something. Example, the car is parked behind the house. The other similar prepositions are above, with, at, by. The birds are flying above the clouds. She went to the party with her friends. At signifies a specific point in time or location. Example, we need to meet at the coffee shop. By, used to express means or method. Example, the letter was sent by mail. Prepositional phrases. Prepositions are often part of prepositional phrases, which include the preposition, its object, and any modifiers. Example, the cat is on the roof, basking in the sun. That's about it, folks, so until next time for another lesson at Bye from us. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. This was an Izzy Scholar Academy presentation.